think of you. Ooh. Hello everybody, thank you for watching. I hope everyone had a great weekend so far. To start off today's look, I'm going to be using the Rodial eye and lip filler. It's like a little bit of like a plumper type gel. I love it. There's no tingly feeling in it, which is really nice as well. And I've been using it for the past couple of weeks and I've really been enjoying it. For my foundation, I'm using the Smashbox BB cream in medium. I prefer this as my base during the summer months because it's so much more lightweight. And it's also like a primer, a foundation, and a moisturizer all in one with SPF, of course. So for dinner tonight, we are going to be sitting outside. So I wanted to do like full glam, but keep it really, really thin and like lightweight on my skin, if that makes sense. So moving on to the nose contour, I'm using the Graftobian Marigold contour to contour my nose, and I'm also going to warm up my face a little bit, and I'm just using a tiny bit, and I'm doing a very thin layer. Moving on to concealer, I'm using this one by Cover FX. I like this one because it's a lightweight concealer. Normally the Tarte Shape Tape is like my go-to, you guys know that, but it's a little bit of a thicker consistency, so this one I can pack on a little bit more, and again, it's more lightweight. I'm then applying a little bit more on the sides of my nose, and I'm going to start blending in the nose contour with like a patting motion like this. And I like to start from the bottom and work my way up. That way it just gives like a nice gradient effect, and on the tip of my nose where I want it more prominent to help make my nose look thinner, it's going to be a little bit darker. To set my under eyes, I'm using the Ben Nye Fair Powder. This one's definitely one of my favorites. I like that it has a pink undertone, so it really brightens the under eyes. And to set the cream contour with a very light hand, I'm using the Shade and Light palette. I'm mixing the two lighter brown shades together, and I'm gonna just set anywhere that I did the cream contour. So for brows, I'm using the Morphe Micro Brow. This is in the color Java, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows a bit. The kitties are getting baths and groomed today. So Bear just came back in. I wanted to run down and make sure he was okay. They're so cute. So we're just gonna wipe away the powder. This is a Real Techniques brush. It never drags or pulls on the makeup, and it just helps make blending away your powder super easy. So to fill in my brows a little bit more, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Granite. And for setting spray today, I'm using the new Dominique Cosmetics and JD Wadey collab. It smells so delicious. So congratulations to both those girls. I was so excited when I got it in the mail, and I love the color of the packaging. Plus, you guys know I love setting sprays. I love to drench myself in them. So for today's eye look, I didn't want to do anything crazy. I wanted to try something new. So I knew which shirt I wanted to wear, which you guys will see it in a minute. It has like blue butterflies on it. So I was like, why don't I go in with like a dark blue metallic liner? So I started with the liner, and I just wanted something a little bit more. So first I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty nude palette, and I'm just going to add a little bit of dimension into my eye with a larger blending brush. I always do this even if I'm doing a more natural look. And I just decided to do a couple little dots like on the outer corner and connect it to my eyeliner. So I tried this on the other eye first because I wanted to make sure I liked it, and I think it looks so cool. It's subtle, it's different, it's fun for summer. I would try this with like brighter colors or even like white or mix and match. I don't know, I'm gonna go crazy with it. I feel like this might be my new rhinestone thing, like my new trend that I'm gonna be doing for a little bit. Just make sure if you're using a liquid pencil, you're looking down until it dries. Otherwise you're gonna have lines instead of dots on your eyes, and I learned that the hard way. And I'm gonna do another little blue dot right in the center as well. Once I did mascara, I wish I made the dot a little bit bigger, which I really could have, but I think next time I'm gonna make the dot a little bit bigger so you can see it from further away. Cool. I like it. It's simple but like fun. I'm all about simple looks. You guys know this. For lashes, I'm using these Ardell Demi Wispies. They have like an extra piece on the end to give it more of like a cat eye. And while the glue is drying a little bit on the lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Shade and Light palette again, and I'm gonna start stamping in the yellowy and peach shades mixed on the sides of my nose. It's gonna make such a nice contrast, and it really helps your nose look that much slimmer by adding a lot of lightness next to the darkness. So that's just a trick that I always do that I'm obsessed with. So to highlight my nose, I'm using this new cheek palette from XOXO Cosmetics. It's like a highlighter blush palette, which I love. And I'm gonna be highlighting my nose, my tear ducts, under my brow. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more of that fair powder under my eyes. And I'm gonna go in with my Flower Beauty mascara for my lower lash line. I prefer this mascara on my lower lashes because it never transfers and it just makes my bottom lashes super long. And for lips, I'm gonna go in with BFF2 by Shayla and ColourPop. And then I'm gonna fill in my lips with Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude. And once I do that, I just kind of go back in with the brown and I just kind of like ombre it in together. So back to the XOXO palette, I'm using the lighter pink blush and I'm gonna apply that all over my cheeks, my cheekies. And my hair was up in this braid all day, so I decided to fix it so it looked a little bit smoother. And you know what? From having it in the braid, I think I like how the ponytail looks better, so that's why I ended up leaving it like that. I'm just gonna pull out some baby hairs and seal them down with my edge booster. This is like my favorite trick ever. It makes my forehead look a little less big. Thank God that my life's already good. So I'm gonna wear my diamond earrings. Anthony got these for me for Christmas. The stud part is like, ow. Cause they're screw-ons. They hurt. We got a little kitty in the house. Look, she's oh, my mommy got a haircut. Oh. But we got lucky, as usual. He like flips out over these haircuts, so. Not that he needed, not a haircut, he needed a bath, but it's all right. So I don't know if I finished my sentence, but he got me these earrings for Christmas, and the studs, cause their screw-ons are like thick. They're like thicker posts, and they hurt so bad going in. So I don't, So I don't know if I need to repost them or if I just get in pain. Usually I'll put like Neosporin as like a lubricant. All right. He did good, right? I want these pieces out. Do I want to braid it? Or do I want to leave it in a pony? Dreamt of a life in a big town. Skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. Final result. I am obsessed with how the eyes came out. I wanted to try something a little bit different, and I knew I was gonna wear this outfit with the blue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.